Prove cosec 2 theta minus cot 2 theta equals tan theta. Let's write cosec 2 theta as 1 over sine 2 theta minus cot 2 theta is 1 over tan 2 theta. We're starting with the left hand side first. Tan 2 theta is the same as sine 2 theta over cos 2 theta. That's a basic trigonometric identity, so we'll write that as 1 over sine 2 theta minus 1 over sine 2 theta over cos 2 theta, and that is the same as 1 over sine 2 theta minus cos 2 theta over sine 2 theta. So we have the same denominator, so we can write it as 1 minus cosine 2 theta over sine 2 theta. Let's remember our trigonometric identities. So you know that sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equals 1, cos 2 theta equals cos squared theta minus sine squared theta, and sine 2 theta equals 2 sine theta cos theta. So let's substitute all of these into our equation that we've got. That's going to be sine squared theta plus cos squared theta, because we substitute that in for 1, minus cos squared theta minus sine squared theta all over 2 sine theta cos theta, and from that we get sine minus minus, so plus sine squared theta, that's going to be 2 sine squared theta, and then cos squared theta minus cos squared theta, that's 0, over 2 sine theta cos theta. We can cancel out the 2's, because 2 divided by 2 is 1, and sine squared theta divided by sine theta is just 1 sine theta, that will be on the numerator. So you can cancel that sine theta out, and we can cancel that squared out, and we'll get sine theta over cos theta, which equals tan theta. Therefore, we have successfully proven that cosec 2 theta minus cot 2 theta equals tan theta. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it useful. Make sure that you memorize all of your trigonometric identities. I've zoomed out here so you can have a look at all of the working.